Binalot ng kontrobersya ang suot na gown ni Miss Universe Philippines Siniloan, Laguna Iliana Marie Aguiana sa kanyang preliminary interview matapos itong e-call out ng Kalise Styles, ang tunay na may-ari umano ng design mula sa Vietnam dahil sa hindi pagpapalam bago ito gamitin. Ayon sa pahayag ng Kalise Styles, we take immense pride in creating original designs that embody the artistry, elegance, and craftsmanship of Vietnamese artisans. Recently, it has come to our attention that one of our signature styles has been replicated and publicly shared without our permission, under the label This is Miss Universe, at Ken Batino inspired from Kalise Styles. While we appreciate the recognition, we must clarify that using our designs without proper licensing or collaboration is a violation of our creative rights. Samantala sinubukan din umano nilang iresolba ang issue sa maayos na paraan kaya naman kinontak umano nila ang kampo ngunit blinak at hindi umano sila kinausap. Anila, we initially attempted to resolve this issue respectfully by contacting the individual privately via Instagram DM. Unfortunately, we were blocked and have since been unable to communicate. Gayunman, we kindly ask our followers and supporters to help us protect original work. Creativity should be celebrated not copied. Sa ngayon, wala pang pahayag mula sa kampo ni Iliana hinggil sa issue.